Well, go on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, man. Yes. So today I'm gonna do for you guys some curry goat. Yes, so come on over here. Here I got my goat washed already with vinegar. Push that one side. So over here I got my vegetables. I already cut up some of them. Only left to peel my Irish potato. Here I got my curry and I got my seasoning already mixed here, but these are all the ingredients I use. Okay, so I got my meat seasoning. I got the good old slap your mama. I got some chicken seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and some seasoned salt. Yes guys, so all that combination I mix it up in this bowl right here. So, and over here now I got my green onions, some pimento seed, and an Irish potato right there. Over here now I got my 4 different flavor and also color bell peppers. I got some chopped carrot. All right there I got me a Scotch bonnet pepper green. You have to use green for your curry goat because you want that flavor. So right here now, last but not least, I got some thyme. Yes, you have to have that thyme again for the flavor. Alright guys, so I'm just going to go ahead now with my seasoning. Yes, so I'm going to apply my seasoning. Yes guys, and you can put like a teaspoon of each one of them. Okay, a teaspoon of each one of them. Yeah, so now I'm going to go in now with my chopped onions, my green onions. Yes guys, so as I said, all these seasonings right here are already washed. Yes, so I'm going to apply my thyme. I'm going to just put some inside the meat and some go in the pot. Just break them. Don't break them too fine because they might cause trouble in the long run to get out when you're ready to eat them. Okay, so that's that. Some pimento seed, about a dozen. Don't want too much in there. Yes, now you're going to apply your curry. So with the curry now, you're going to apply some to the meat and some in the pot to burn it. Okay? Alright. So let me get my spoon and take out the amount I want to go on the meat. Alright. So being as is about a 2-pounder goat, that should be enough. Alright. So I'm going to go in now with my hands and massage that in. Yes, massage that in. Yes, you don't have to worry about the color just yet. Okay, you don't have to worry about the color just yet because I tell you before, we're gonna put some in the oil, and then whatever I put in the oil and whatever I put in the bowl in the mixing up process, the season up process, my bad, the color will come together that time. Alright, so this is all incorporated now. Yeah, smells sweet already. Alright, so yes guys, so you see how it look good? Yes, look awesomely good. Yes, as I say, I'm going to put some curry, burn some curry as well in the oil, so that time you will get that right color that right curry color. Don't watch it look now. Yes guys, so now we reach a stage now where we already have a pot on the stove. So turn on the flame. Yeah, turn on my flame, my oil go and heat up. So when your oil heat up now, then you apply your curry. You go burn your curry. When it get real dark, not extra dark now, you ain't gonna burn it till it's black. Then you go ahead and apply your goat to it. But yes guys, so now we're gonna add in our curry in the grease. Yes, you wanna make sure you don't make it too dark. Can't be too dark guys, it's gonna burn. So turn down my grease a little bit. Yes, that look like exactly what I'm looking for. Yes. So now we're gonna go ahead now and just put in my goat. Yes, we're gonna go ahead and stir them up now. Yes, so with all that onion and the thyme kicking off a certain kind of smell right here in the kitchen. Yes, so I turn up back my stove now because the oil was getting overheated. Yes, so I got me some minced garlic. I'm going to go ahead and add my minced garlic. Can't cook without garlic, especially curry without garlic. No. And that curry I use, it's called Better Pot curry. That's the best curry for some curry goat. You can find him on Better Pot curry on Amazon. Yes guys, so right now I'm gonna leave this here for a minute, make him go on kind of fry up a little bit. Yes, so after that now, maybe about a good 5 minutes like this, then you cover him down, make him go and cook. Yes, welcome back. So now we're going to check and see how it's progressing. Yes, so come over here guys, look. Check out the sear, how it's seared nicely so far. Yes, so you remember me tell you about the color there? Yes, you see the color fall into place now. Yes, pretty. Yes, man, it start smell up the place already. I ain't not reached nowhere yet. Yes, guys, so you have to do your goat. No hold up a long water business. See it? Yes, so now I'm going now and cover him down now. See? So any little thing, maybe just a little bit of water if the juice I get too low in him. But for now, you'll crack the flame a little bit. Yeah, because me go and sear him a little bit more. Low flame. So when I come back, yeah, show you guys how far progress reach with him. Yes, welcome back to my kitchen. So now I'm going to check now. I'm a goat now and see where it's at. But I know it should about be at that point now where I put like my seasoning, like my vegetables and stuff. So come on guys, look in the pot. Yes, guys, this is how we look. Yes, let me check the tenderness of him. Yes, guys, I'm reached it. I'm almost there. So now, I'm going to go ahead and put my vegetable inside. Alright, press that right there. Alright, go ahead. As I said, all these already washed. So I'm just going to go ahead. Pepper, my carrots, alright. They don't really have to go in no particular order. Okay? So, as I said, they don't have to go in no particular order. I'm just going to put them in. Alright. So that's the carrot gone in, hot pepper, yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper, red bell pepper. Yes, that white thing right there, that's potatoes. Alright, so that's the rest of the potato right there. Alright, so we're going to stir now. Make sure everything where them supposed to be, find them rightful spot in the pot. See how colorful it be, guys? Yeah. I don't know about nobody else, but I'm a person who love colors in my pot. Alright? So guys, I'm going to pour a little water in this now, not much, and leave him on low flame until it's cooked. So because it's really cooked right now, but I'm gonna have to make the vegetable and the other seasoning cooking it. Alright, so when I come back, I will have the finished product to show you guys. Yes guys, so now I have the finished curry goat dish over here for you. So come on over guys, come look in the pot. Yes, so that's what it looked like when it finished. Yes, it's real tender. Let me show you a piece. Show you how tender it is. There goes a little piece right there. See? My spoon run right through him. I can't taste it because I don't eat goat. In fact, I don't eat meat. So that's what it looked like. But doing it for so many years, you know what I mean? I know exactly what it tastes like. I know exactly what I put in there. And I know the exact result that I should be getting out of it. So guys, stay with me for the plating. So when we come back guys, that's the plating process when I come back. Turn off my flame and that's it. So stay with me. Plating when we come back. Yes guys, so welcome back. Now I have your finished curry goat for you. Serve up with some vegetables and some rice and peas. Come on, let me show you what's going on. Yes guys, so that's the finished dish. Yes. Everything looking good so far. And I know it tastes twice as good. Yes, curry goat, rice and peas and vegetable. Okay? Your broccoli, your carrot, you name it. Yes guys, so again, that's the curry goat, the finished curry goat right there. Yes guys, so as I said, this is your finished curry goat. So for this and any other recipe, jump onto my channel, Roaming with the Bennetts, where you get curry goat and many other awesome cooking recipe. So until next time guys, peace. Your boy out.